Have you ever wondered how to make money with affiliate marketing? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, a realm where you can earn income by promoting other people's products. Intriguing, isn't it? Here's the basic premise. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. It's essentially a modern-day version of a traditional sales role. But here's the twist. You're selling products for multiple companies, not just one, and you're doing it all from the comfort of your own home or wherever you choose to work from. Affiliate marketing can be a fantastic source of income, and the best part is, you don't need to create your own product or service to get started. You're leveraging the hard work of others to your advantage. Stay tuned to learn how to navigate the world of affiliate marketing and start earning money. The first step to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right affiliate program. Just like embarking on any journey, you need to know your destination. In this case, your destination is a successful partnership with an affiliate program that aligns with your interests and resonates with your audience. It's not just about picking the program that offers the highest commission rates. It's about finding a program that meshes well with your brand and can offer value to your audience. Imagine trying to sell winter coats on a tropical island. No matter how high the commission, it's just not the right fit. So first and foremost, align your interests with your audience's needs. If you're passionate about tech and gadgets, for example, look for affiliate programs that offer these products. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content, making your promotional efforts more genuine and effective. Now let's talk about evaluating affiliate programs. There are three main factors to consider: commission rates, product quality, and company reputation. Commission rates are important, of course. After all, you want to ensure your efforts are rewarded adequately. However, don't let a high commission rate blind you to other important factors. A high commission on a poor quality product or from a disreputable company is not a good deal. Product quality is crucial. If you're promoting a product that doesn't deliver on its promises, it's not only the company's reputation at stake, it's yours too. Make sure you're confident in the product before you agree to promote it. And finally, consider the company's reputation. Do they have a history of treating their affiliates well? Do they pay on time? Are they known for good customer service? These are all questions to consider before signing up for an affiliate program. Think of choosing an affiliate program as a long-term relationship. You want a partner who will support you, treat you fairly, and help you succeed. It takes research and careful consideration, but the payoff can be substantial. Remember, the key is to choose a program that matches your interests and your audience's needs. Now that you've chosen your affiliate program, the next step is to build a platform to promote the products. Building a platform may sound like a daunting task, but it's actually an exciting opportunity to connect with an audience and share content you're passionate about. There are a variety of platforms you can use for affiliate marketing. Blogs, YouTube channels, and social media accounts are just a few examples. Let's start with blogs. A blog is a great way to share in-depth information about the products you're promoting. You can write reviews, create tutorials, or share personal experiences. The key is to provide valuable content that your audience will appreciate and learn from. Remember, the more trust and rapport you build with your audience, the more likely they are to purchase products through your affiliate links. Now let's talk about YouTube. This is a platform where you can really let your personality shine. In addition to written content, you can create videos demonstrating how to use the products, comparing different products, or even just talking about why you love them. And don't forget about the power of visuals. A well-shot, well-edited video can make a huge impact. Lastly, there's social media. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other platform, social media allows you to reach a large audience quickly and easily. You can share posts about the products, interact with your followers, and even run ads to reach even more people. Regardless of the platform you choose, the most important thing is to create high-quality content that appeals to your audience. This means understanding who your audience is, what they're interested in, and how you can provide value to them. Whether it's through informative blog posts, engaging videos, or interactive social media posts, you're not just promoting products, you're building a community. And remember, building a platform takes time and effort. Don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep creating, keep engaging, and keep improving. With dedication and persistence, your platform and your affiliate marketing business can thrive. A strong, engaging platform is the foundation of successful affiliate marketing. With your platform set up, it's time to start promoting affiliate products. One of the most effective strategies for promoting affiliate products is creating product reviews. Reviews give potential customers a deep dive into what the product is all about, its pros and cons, and why they might consider buying it. The key here is to be as detailed and honest as possible. Remember, your credibility is on the line, and people will trust your word. So don't just say it's great, show why it's great. Another powerful strategy is creating tutorials. If you can show your audience how to use a product and the results they can expect, you've got a winning formula. Tutorials can be in the form of blog posts, videos, or even social media posts. The goal is to demonstrate the product's value and how it can solve a problem or enhance the user's life. Now let's talk about email marketing. Building an email list is one of the best ways to promote affiliate products. Why? Because it gives you direct access to people who are already interested in what you have to say. With email, you can send personalized recommendations, offer exclusive deals, or share valuable content that subtly promotes your affiliate products. The trick here is to balance promotional content with valuable information so that your emails are always welcomed. But let's not forget about the importance of honesty and transparency. It's essential to disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Not only is this a legal requirement in many jurisdictions, but it also helps to build trust with your audience. If people know you're earning a commission but still believe in your recommendations, they'll respect your honesty and be more likely to support your work. In conclusion, promoting affiliate products requires a strategic approach. It's about delivering valuable content, building trust, and showing your audience how these products can benefit them. With product reviews, tutorials, and email marketing, you can resonate with your audience at a deeper level, making them more likely to make a purchase. Promoting products effectively can significantly increase your affiliate income. Affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to earn money if you're willing to put in the time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a legitimate business strategy that requires planning, research, and dedication. We've walked through the steps together, selecting the right affiliate program that aligns with your interests and audience, constructing a solid platform, be it a blog, a website, or social media channels, and effectively promoting affiliate products by providing real value and building trust with your audience. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is persistence. It's about learning, experimenting, and refining your approach. It's about building relationships, not just transactions. It's about being patient and consistent while always striving for growth. So, are you ready to embark on your journey in affiliate marketing? If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Start your journey in affiliate marketing today and see where it takes you.